Welcome back to the channel. Choosing the right distribution when approaching Linux for the first time might seem like an impossible mission. It's a central topic in the Linux world, and advice is everywhere. Everyone proposes their idea of the perfect distro to start with, but the truth is that the choice of your first distribution is not as critical as you might think. Allow me to explain why. In the world of proprietary software, you are used to a single path. One operating system, one program, one prepackaged way of doing things. Linux, however, is an entire universe. There are hundreds of distributions, each with its own purpose and philosophy. Linux is not a single distribution. It is all distributions. And this is why there is no best distribution that can satisfy everyone. We are humans, diverse and complex, and this diversity is precisely what makes Linux powerful. If you are a beginner, you might feel overwhelmed by all the recommendations. Ubuntu is simple, widespread, and works out of the box. Debian is the mother of all distributions, stable and highly respected. Linux Mint is ideal for those transitioning from Windows. Arch Linux is powerful, flexible, and endlessly customizable. Fedora is innovative and always cutting edge. These suggestions are all valid, but ultimately the choice is yours. The real advice is to pick a distribution and start. It does not matter which. The important thing is to dive into the journey and embrace the idea that you might try several distributions before finding the one that suits you best. One of the most common mistakes is expecting Linux to replace Windows by doing exactly the same things in the same way. Linux is different, and its strength lies in this difference. With Linux, you gain power. It is an incredibly versatile and high-performing tool. You gain freedom. You can customize, modify, and adapt it to your needs. And you gain digital self-determination. You are no longer tied to proprietary software or licenses. But this requires a shift in mindset. Using Linux means being ready to learn, to try new things, and to take conscious control over your system. So, choose a popular beginner-friendly distribution like Debian, Linux Mint, OpenSUSE, or any other that catches your eye. Install it without hesitation. The beauty of Linux is that you can always change it later. Be prepared for a journey of discovery. Installing a second or third distribution is normal. It is part of the process of finding the one that aligns with your needs. Do not let indecision hold you back. Linux is not just an operating system. It is a personal growth opportunity, a way to explore technology with fresh eyes. Pick a distribution, start your journey, and discover what it truly means to be free in the digital world. Thanks for watching.